she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach. So she ran away in her sleep and dreamed of para.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode of What Will They Think of Next, to deal with this lace shortage, I am featuring a new T-part closure wig by RoyalMe. Now, I will say that when the vendors reach out to me and they ask me to do a video, you know, I do a little research. So when I started searching the T-part wigs, most T-part wigs look like, just think of a synthetic wig. You know how a synthetic wig is basically a lace down the line and then a little lace across the front. That's what I was expecting to review. And I'm actually surprised because I'm opening the box for the first time today to see that this unit actually looks this good. So I already showed you guys what this lace looks like. Let me go ahead and show you the inside of this lace so you can actually see where the name came from. So as you see, you have a section of lace in the middle and you have lace actually surprisingly from ear to ear. I've seen a few that only had lace in the short part in the front, so it was like literally like a closure. It probably could be called a frontal wig since it does go from ear to ear, but that would be a bit of a stretch. So as you guys can see, the lace on this unit is the typical high quality lace we come to expect from RoyalMe. This looks like, is this HD lace? It looks like HD lace. If it's not, I'll confirm if it's HD lace and I'll make sure and put that across the screen. In any event, this is very good lace and you already saw that it's plucked pretty well. So this is actually a side part unit. I thought I was gonna be stuck rocking the middle part. Y'all know I don't like to wear middle part. So this is surprise number 2. Let me let you guys see what this hairline is looking like on this unit. Beautiful. So it's basically giving me frontal vibes without having to deal with the frontal. The only downside to this is that you're going to be stuck with, if you get a middle part, you're going to be stuck with a middle part, or if you get a side part, you're going to be stuck with a side part. So you're going to lose that versatility that you would normally have with a frontal. So choose wisely. But for me, it doesn't really matter because I'm always rocking a side part anyway. As you can see, this wig has some nice blonde highlights along the unit, and it has a pretty good transition of the hair going from black to brown to blonde. I'm hoping this could pick up in the camera. Okay, if you're like me and like to add a curve to your side parts, you can play around with this parting space and just change it if you like. However, I actually surprisingly like the side part the way it is, so I'm going to just leave it, but I do want to let you know that you do have that option. So this, I think, should be a very quick install. It looks like I'm not going to have much to do. I thought I was going to have to pluck this lace, but I don't think so. So I will say that it looks like these knots were a little over bleach. Well, not necessarily over bleach, but it does look like the bleach got on the hair. Although you can't really tell that much now that I'm wearing it. But just so I can let you guys know how to easily fix that, I'm going to go ahead and show you what you can do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tail of the comb and just press this right in the parting area. Take a can of temporary black hairspray, and you guys should have seen me do this before in my videos, and just lightly spray the part. And this not only cleans up the bleach knots, it also gives you a more crisp parting space. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it.
Every time she closed her eyes.
didn't even tie it down yet and it's already looking laid. I'm gonna cut just a little bit. I think I want a little bit of baby hair right here.
She expected the world, but it flew away from her reach. So she ran away in her sleep and dreamed of paradise, paradise. Every time she closed her eyes.
So I'm trying to figure out how I want to style this. It seems like most of the color is on top right here, so I do want to have some type of bang. I'm gonna just take my flat iron and just bump these ends.
When she was just a girl, she expected the world.
I'm gonna cut this just a little bit, just because I want it to just be a little bit higher against my chin. So I'm using this razor to cut the hair, and it is a little bit dull, so it was a bit challenging, especially trying to reach the hair in the back. Definitely should have did this while the wig was off, so I'm gonna leave this alone and I'm gonna just clean it up later. I'm gonna go in and want my wax stick and just kind of lay these edges down. And dolls, y'all know that the hair is not complete until you actually lay it down using the wax stick and the flat iron. These are two essential tools that you really should own. Last, I decided to just go in with my curling iron and throw some curls in the front. Especially wanted to highlight the color in this wig because I do think it's really pretty. So it's important that it shows. Of course, I want to go in with some of this finishing spray just to kind of hold these little curls in place. And this is what it's looking like, dolls. What do you guys think? I actually love this unit. Almost forgot to add some foundation powder to the parting area just to blend that all in. And let me turn around really quickly so you guys can see what it looks like from the back. And now let me give you guys a close-up shot of this lace, of this install. What do you guys think? Are you guys loving this unit like I am? Ugh, this one really surprised me. I love when I get surprises. So I also decided to straighten this hair just to kind of rock it as a bob. And this is what it looked like. You guys let me know. Do you prefer it straight or curly? I actually can't decide. I really like it both ways. This is RoyalMe. They always have quality units. If you are interested in purchasing this wig, as always, I will have everything used in this video linked in the description box down below. But guys, as always, I'm gonna need y'all help naming this wig. What are we gonna call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted that name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.